What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to see if someone blocked you on Instagram. Now what you want to do guys, you want to open your Instagram account, of course. Now as you can see here at the very bottom left, you can see here search button here. You want to click it and search for the username that you think has blocked you. Now if you can search for that username and you don't see it in the search results, that's probably this person blocked you. Now to make sure that this person blocked you, you want to go to Google, okay? You want to open your browser and search for Instagram.com, okay? I'm going to add what you want to type on Google in the screen. You will see it in the screen right now. Now slash the username of the person, okay? You want to type here the username of the person, make sure it's correct. Now after you click go,